Here's a little unboxing of this Frontline disposable CPR Face Shield with a keyring on it. Show you what these look like right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can see it's got the keyring on it right there. Little pouch. It's actually a pretty cool little pouch, honestly. Like, definitely be saving these and using these pouches again. And then right here you've got the actual face shield. Let me see if I can get this out of here and show it to you. It's just all folded up. Just gotta unfold it all. Okay, there it is. Right here on both sides you've got a little bit of a string that stretches to wrap around your ears. And then right there you've got the valve. Here's a look at it from the other side. And has some instructions on it for you. So there's steps 3 and 4. And right there, there's steps 1 and 2. So there's a look at these face shield masks. Awesome pouch that they come in.